Welcome back, everybody. It's Ron. I got another video for you. I'd already put up one video this morning, and I was working on a second when this popped up, and I thought it'd be interesting for everybody to watch. Before we watch the video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe and that notification button to get all the updates and all the videos that I put out. Now, this happened on 8/19 of 2024, and what it was, the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Department received information there was a vessel that was in distress. It had no power and was taking on water. So they jumped into action, got in the Marine unit, and it was able to assist the vessel from sinking and take them back to shore. So let's go ahead and take a look at the video.
They're anxious. All right, we got you. That third food, I don't know what it's like. How much water's in the boat? They probably got about a foot in there. Power to hit the bilge? How about power to turn on the bilge? No power? Where's the truck and trailer at? What ramp?
¿Cómo que se llama la rampa?
Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching the videos. Again, like and subscribe, and bravo Zulu to the members of the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Department who were able to save these people in their vessel. Thank you very much, and we will see you on the next.